What is going on, guys? Dippin' Diesel back. Today we're going to be talking about some of the reasons why I moved from California to Alabama. A lot of you guys have been asking me and I haven't really given you a straight answer yet. I don't think I've ever answered anyone back yet on this topic. So I figured I'd make a whole video talking about some of the reasons why I moved, across the country, 2,700 miles it was. I moved with my truck. You guys know, you guys have been watching the channel. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. A lot more videos coming out on diesel content and side-by-side, four-wheeling and mud bog and all that stuff. So subscribe if you guys are new, hit the bell icon so you guys are notified whenever I post a video and you can stay up to date. We've been trying to post every single day. So let's get right into it. First reason I'll talk about is, everyone knows this, everything is cheaper when you don't live in California. Me and my girlfriend got this place. We're staying here for a year. We got our own place, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, kitchen, all that. If you guys want to see the house tour, go on my second channel. Link will be in the description below. Subscribe to that channel also. But yeah, cheaper. We're renting this place cheaper than I was renting the room with Adam. You guys know Adam. You guys love Adam. I was renting a room with him. I was paying $600 a month for 1 room and 1 bathroom. And yeah, we're paying cheaper in this place for a whole place, whole house, than I was renting 1 room in California. So just that makes me want to move. You know, you buy houses really cheap down here with land for like 1/3 of the price in California. It's insane. Another reason with being as cheaper, diesel prices, dude. I'm seeing a bunch of Snapchats of my buddies back home saying, oh, $2.50 a gallon, I can't believe it, that's so cheap. I'm paying like $1.68 here. Guys back home are punching the wall. Hella mad. But yeah, diesel is so cheap here. I drive a diesel truck, you guys know that. I go through a lot of diesel. I went through a lot of diesel driving here, and the cheapest, as soon as I got out of California, the cheapest that I found it was I think it was $2 in Arizona, like right outside of California. It dropped like $1, $1.25 just getting out of California, which was insane. I was surprised. I was like, dude, I saw $2 on the sign. I was like, dude, I have to go get some diesel from there, because who knows if I'm gonna find anything cheaper than that. But I spent a lot of money on diesel driving here. But now that I'm here, I'm paying like $1.68 for diesel, which is nice. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to go too in depth of some of these points, but you guys will get the gist of why I moved from communist California to freedom, sweet home Alabama. So this next point, a lot of you guys probably already know, California is, a Democratic state. No one that's a Republican or conservative likes living there. That's why everyone's moving from California to Texas, California to Arizona, Oregon. Everyone's moving out of California because housing is too expensive. No one likes a Democratic state. Everyone that's Republican is moving out. That's why I moved out. I cannot stand the Democrats in California. It just does not go with how I want a state to be ran. I'm not going to run for office or anything like that. That's, I don't know. But I don't like how California is being ran, especially by the Democrats. So I had to move. Some of the laws are just retarded. California just in general is not a good place for me, being how I want to live my life. I want to be able to live cheap, have a lot of land, do stuff to my vehicles that I want to do. I can actually upgrade my truck. Well, not upgrade this one. Maybe selling this one. Who knows? But yeah, I want to be able to upgrade a part without having to send it somewhere else and get it sent back to California. I had to go through a whole bunch of trouble to get my turbo, if you guys remember that. It was a really, not a big ordeal, but kind of a hassle to get it. Yeah, and gun laws are way better here in Alabama than they are in California. You have to get a background check to buy ammunition in California. If you're not a resident of California with a California ID or driver's license, you cannot buy ammo in California, which is like, say you go there for a hunting trip or whatever, you can't buy ammo. It's so stupid. So if you guys want to know any laws that are stupid, go ahead and look up California laws and just read them, and you'll just be like, damn, I'm so glad I do not live there. So we've already talked about how it's cheaper to live here than it is in California. Democrats are stupid, they're ruining the state, laws are dumb. Another reason why I moved was because I feel like for me, I'm a full-time YouTuber, I make YouTube videos, I don't have a job, I just do this. So you guys supporting me, really appreciate it. Leaving a like will help me out a lot, leaving a comment also, subscribing. That all helps me out. You guys don't have to buy merch or whatever. Just you guys watching the videos helps me out a bunch. But more opportunity for me living here than in California because I can actually do stuff to my truck. There's more people that are making videos here on the East Coast. We're more on the East Coast than the West Coast. West Coast, California, there was literally no one around me that was making videos. There's people down in Southern California, but up where I was at, there's nothing to do up there. There's no one to collaborate with. Collaborating with YouTubers, Paradox, that's really helped my channel out a lot. So I really appreciate him. Go check him out in the description below. His link will be there. Paradox, Caleb, he's been in a few videos. You guys have seen him. He's gonna be in a lot more videos to come, so stay tuned. But yeah, I just feel like there's more opportunity for me to live here than it is in California. And the final thing, I'm not going to go into too much about this, but these are some of the reasons why I moved. The last reason is, just to get a new start. Sometimes you gotta, step out of the box, step out of your comfort zone and do something that's a little bit scary. It was a little bit scary coming up the past couple weeks. I've been really stressful trying to find a place to live and just get everything, settled down and make videos for you guys to watch. We're gonna keep making videos on the daily, hopefully. Some days we'll be just doing stuff that we need to get done, so I may not be able to post a video. But yeah, a new start, new place to live, and there's not really much to say about that. You just have to try something new. And that's what we did. We drove 2,500 miles and started a new life here in Alabama. So those are some of the reasons why I moved from California to Alabama. There's a lot more reasons, but these are kind of the main points of why I moved. So if you guys are wondering why I moved, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, subscribe if you guys are new. Leave a like on this video. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. If you guys want me to answer, I pretty much get back to every single comment within the first couple hours of the video posting. It'll be a little bit less after that since I'm checking other videos and stuff. So if you guys do have a comment, leave it down below and I'll try to get back to you. That's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Dippin' Diesel. I'm out. Peace.